All right. Welcome, everybody. This is my gallery. Make it snappy. Today, I'd like to show you what this is all about. So let's take a short walk, shall we? This way, please. Yes. Here, you can see my students and my colleagues' favorite photos. I've been collecting these for a number of years now. And recently, I've decided to put them up in this VR gallery. So you can take a look yourselves. All you need to do is to click the link you'll find on my LOS Language Online Services website. Here we've got a beautiful photo which my student Tom took back in 2019, I think it was. Yeah, he was traveling in Kyrgyzstan. You can read about his trip right here. So every photo has a short description next to it, so you can check these out. Here, believe it or not, it's me. Yes, on the right. It's me and my close friend Dushan camping in our favorite, actually, place not far from Prague. Those who don't know me, I come from the Czech Republic, but since 2010, I've been living in Sweden with my Swedish wife and our little son. We used to camp a lot back in the old days. Anyway, these two photos, the one from Kyrgyzstan and my photo from Českosaské Švýcarsko, which is a really nice part of the Czech Republic, inspired me to write a lesson. Last year, I wrote a lesson called Camping Adventures, and I'd like you to check it out now. So we're going to travel to another space which I created a while ago, and I will show you what this lesson is about. So yes, please, we're going to travel now. Let's see if it works. Oh, it does work. Look, here's my lesson. This is another photo of me making dinner. It looks delicious, doesn't it? Okay, and here you've got my material, which you can actually check out here. And honestly, where else can you learn about camping and nature if not in this place? Look around. We've got a small lake. We are surrounded by trees. Here's a lovely campfire. Maybe you can hear the sound of crackling fire. This is so nice. Let's sit down now. Let me play some music. I've got my guitar, the real one, not the virtual one, with me. So, yeah. We can play music. You can tell me what your favorite song is, and I'm going to learn how to play it. And then we can spend some time together learning English and practicing all these wonderful words you see here right on the notice board. So I just wanted to tell you about this lesson in my gallery. Check it out on social media or on my website, LOS Language Online Services. That's it for today. I hope to hear from you soon. Until then, everybody, take care and goodbye.